I only have 48 hours to build a dropshipping store from complete scratch. Within these 48 hours, I need to find a winning product, create a website, post some videos on TikTok in hopes of getting some sales. And I can't use any help or sell any of my winning products that made me thousands of dollars in the past. And with 48 hours on the clock, I don't have a lot of time for this challenge, so let's don't waste any more of it. So before we can start with building a website, and even post anything on TikTok, we first need to find a winning product. So I'm gonna go on a website that is called dropship.io. And what they do, they have a list of bunch of winning products and potential products, and maybe we can find our winner on a platform like that. The only criteria that I have is that it has to be a problem-solving product and it needs to have gone viral in the past. Since we only have a few days for this product, we have to search for a product that people have already seen and want to buy. And to be honest to you guys, I'm a little bit afraid that we are not even gonna have one sale. But finding a problem-solving product will definitely help. We still have a lot of time on the clock, so let's get some sales. I took the next hour to search through a bunch of different winning products. After a little digging, I just decided to go on dropship.io because I knew there was going to be a bunch of winning products on that platform. So I went on their current trends page to sort through all these products, and I found a few products that I've already done super well, like the face sculpture product and also the migraine relief ice cap. I know those two products are winning products, but I want to find something that has gone viral pretty recently. And not too long after searching, I found my winning product, which is a belt for hot water for women when they are on their period. It's basically a belt where you can put a hot water bottle into. It's nicely decorated like a stuffed animal. And when women are on their period, it will relieve the pain. And of course, as you know, I don't have any experience with periods myself, but my girlfriend does at this moment. Babe, can you please come for a second? Ladies and gentlemen, this is my girlfriend. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
So I found this winning product for when you are on your period, and I want to double check if you would buy it. So do you like this one?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Are you serious on this? Because if we don't get any sales, it's your fault.
I'm dead serious.
Well, thank you for your feedback. So guys, in my opinion, we have found our winning product. It solves the problem and it looks kinda cute. Also, I'm gonna run the ads on TikTok and I think we will find the right audience there. In the end, there is no point of promoting this product on Facebook with all ladies, right? So I'm gonna do some product research to find out if this is really a winning product.
A few moments later.
But since this belt passed both of my criteria, I don't want to waste any more time of you guys. So let's go straight into building a website and actually build a brand with this product. Before we are going to build a website, we first need the ads. And for that, we are going to use viral ecom ads. I'm sure basically all of you guys already know viral ecom ads. They're the biggest ad agency out there, and I'm gonna go show you guys the homepage. This is the homepage, and for this challenge, I will use my ad strategy, which is testing a few video ads and check out which one is performing the best and put some more money into that ad. This is also called split testing. And I will just scroll down and go to the TikTok split testing package. So with this package, we are going to get 3 different videos. So it's going to be basically the same video every single time, except the first 3 seconds are going to be different, which is really important. The first 3 seconds of your video are the most important thing and also well known as the hook. And this way we're going to be able to test 3 different ones. And believe me, this is really increase your success rate a lot. I'll place an order really quick and I will be back with you guys once I'm done.
A few moments later.
I just finished ordering the ads. So now we're ready. I just want to mention you guys, when you end up ordering your ads with viral ecom ads, you can use my special discount code WebCraft15 to save 15% off. And another thing I think might help you guys out while we are on this topic is that viral ecom ads has their own VIP program, where you literally just pay $50 a month and you get 70% off all their services and you get 24-hour delivery as opposed to the regular like 2 or 3 day delivery. As long as you're testing 2 or more products, it makes sense to get this and you can save a lot of money. So I thought I'd mention that, and if you guys plan on testing a lot, then definitely get the VIP program. It's going to save you a bunch of money, and that's about it for me for now. Now that we have ordered the ads, it's time to work on the website. I've already made a video about how to build your own dropshipping store, so we will go over this really quickly. Well guys, as you can see, we're already in day 2 of our challenge and we still have 36 hours remaining. Last night I finished up our website, and I also received already the ads from Viral Ecom Ads within 12 hours. So we are ready to launch our campaign. But before we are gonna launch the campaign, I want to show you guys which website I created and which ads Viral Ecom Ads delivered to me. Well guys, as you can see, I made a branded website called mymonthlybelt.com. I call it like that because, yeah, it's a belt for when you're on your period. And the first thing you notice is that I made a bar with 50% off plus free shipping worldwide. If you scroll down, you see this nice logo, you see these nice pictures, and you see that I made a price of 28 euros, which is $30. In this case, we have 3 different options. So you can choose for the pink one, you can choose for the blue one and the purple one. And then if you scroll down, I made a nice description with some GIFs, and in these GIFs you can see how to use the product. And then if you scroll all the way down, I made a My Monthly Belt guarantee with a 30-day money back, premium quality and soft materials. And I also made a bar with get yours for 50% off today only. So I think overall the website looks pretty branded. And as you can see down here, I also create a new product within the shop. This is only the belt, but if people don't like the koala, I think this is a nice upsell. As you can see on the screen, the ads are really nice and from high quality. So I'm really excited to launch them with a campaign on TikTok and see how many sales we can get out of this product. Now we have the website and the ads, it's finally time to launch our product campaign on TikTok. Let's see how many sales we can get within 36 hours. So here we are on TikTok and we're on the campaign level. So this is where we choose what we want the campaign to optimize for. And you always want to go for websites conversions right here. Then we're not gonna touch any of these, and we're going to change the campaign name to match the product name, and then we're gonna go to click continue down here. And now on the ad group level, we are going to name the ad group No Interest 1. Then for the optimization, we are going to go for TikTok Pixel, which in this case is connected to our website. And for the optimization event, we are going to go for complete payment. Under placements, we're going to select placements, and we're only going to leave TikTok on. We're going to turn off all the other 2, and we'll turn off search results as well. And then under advanced settings, we're going to turn off comments, and we're going to turn off downloads, just so no one can comment like anything negative. And we also want to remove downloads so our competitors can't steal our ads. For the targeting for location, we're just gonna do some countries in Europe. And for gender, theoretically, this product could be bought by only young genders, but I think female is definitely going to be the main demographic, since men can be on their period, right? So we're only gonna targeting female. For the age, we're going to do 14 and up till 35. And for the languages, we're going to keep it on all. And we're not gonna touch any of these. And now under daily budget, we are going to set a daily budget of $20. For the schedule, we're going to set it on midnight, so 0000. And then we're going to click OK and save it. Then for day parting, we're going to select specific time. And if you don't know what day parting is, it basically allows you ads to only spend money during specific hours, so you're not wasting money while people sleeping. And we are going to let the ads run until like 2 a.m. and we're going to have them start like I think from 9 a.m. till the end of the day. That's all good. We're not going to touch anything here, and we're just going to click next, and that brings us to the ad levels. So here under ad name, we're going to turn off creative name, and we're just gonna name it ad 1. And this is where we actually upload our ads, and I'm just going to upload the ad that we got from Viral Ecom Ads, the 3 I showed you. So let's click on upload, and I uploaded all the 3 creatives. So now we need to set the ad text. Keep in mind that it's not that important because people just watch the video. The ad text is really small and you don't get many characters, so you can't really say anything meaningful anyways. So we are just going to do something extremely simple, like in this case, just get it today. And as you can see, AI will come up with some new text. Then for the call to action button, we are going to click edit, and then we are going to do standard, and we're just gonna leave it as shop now. I also paste the URL to the website right here, and we're leading people straight to the product page, not to the home page, because we want to make it as easy as possible for people to purchase, instead taking them to the home page. You want to always take them straight to the product page, and we're pretty much done on the ad level. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process for all the other 2 parts, and I will be back to you guys once I'm done. And now I'm done with all the 3 parts. I'm just going to click submit, and we're done with all the settings. As you can see on the screen, the 3 ads are on review right now, and hopefully they will be approved as soon as possible, and then we can actually start getting some sales. I will be back to you guys in 12 hours to check out if everything is running, and I will give you a short update as well. Well guys, the ads are live now for 12 hours, and I would come back with an update. So what we are going to do now is check out which of the 3 videos performs the best, and after that we will put some more money in this one ad. So as you can see on the screen right now, the ads are already active, and yeah, I think we already have a winner. As you can see, the impressions are a lot higher than video 3 and video number 2. So what you can see on the screen is that the cost per click of the best video is also the lowest, 0.16 cents. And we can see that the CTR, so the click-through rate through the video, is 0.63%. So that is also the highest one of the 3. What we are going to do now is turn the other ads off and put some more money in the ad. So now we have still 24 hours on the clock. So let's wait for that. And after that, I will show you guys the results and check out if you have some sales. See you then. So guys, the challenge is officially over, and I have great news because we have 1 sale. Let's dive straight into the analytics. So as you can see here, we have a total ad spend of 35 euros, which is not that much. And compared with yesterday, the ad performed pretty well with a CTR of 1.65% and a CPC of 9 cents. Shout out to Viral Ecom Ads because you guys delivered great work again. Yesterday in the evening, we ended up with getting 1 sale. And this hyped me up because I thought we would end up with getting no sales. It's cool to see that within 48 hours, it's possible going from a non-existing business straight into your first sale. And if I can do it, you can do it too. And if you guys want to learn more about dropshipping, then just subscribe on this channel. But we don't have an actually profit of 27 euros. So let me break down the expenses of this challenge. The product on AliExpress costs us 8 euros. We have a total ad spend of 35 euros because we are running ads on TikTok. The cost of the 3 ad videos were 11 euros since I am a VIP member at Viral Ecom Ads. And lastly, we spent 1 euro on the Shopify store. So in total, we spent 55 euros on this challenge and we got 27 euros in sales. So that brings us on a total lose of 28 euros. Although I think this challenge is a success because at the beginning of this video, I told you guys that it's not very common to have a profitable dropshipping stores only within 2 days. And guys, if you want to know how to build a dropshipping store on Shopify, you can check out my other video. That's it for this challenge. And if you need any help with your own online business, then just reach out to me on Instagram. And guys, don't forget to comment below this video what you guys learned from this challenge. I see you guys in the next video. Ciao.